Hello friends, today we're going to make white Rava Uppuma. I always go to my mom to help her cook, so this is my favorite dish to do with her. These are the ingredients you need. Some oil, mustard, chana dal, chili, curry leaves, some ginger, hing, ghee, fresh lemon juice which we'll be using in the last, onion, carrot, the main ingredient white rava and some peas. Salt to taste. 3 cups of water. Take the pan and on the flame and pour some oil. Now let the oil heat and add mustard. Let it pop. Now add chana dal. And add some chilies. And stir it. And add some curry leaves and add some hing and stir it. Now add some onions and stir it well till the color changes. Now the color has changed and let's add some carrots. Then stir it. After that, add some ginger and mix it well. And now let's add some peas. It looks very colorful. And now for 1 cup rava we need to put 3 cups of water and add some salt and let it boil. After, let's pour some rava very gently and stir it well so lumps are not formed. Now let's put some lemon juice. Stir it well and it's time to add ghee now. And mix well. Now Uppma's ready. Yay! Now it's time to taste. Wow, it's so nice. Please like, share and subscribe 3 stars. Thank you to my mom for teaching me. Bye.